I made this dessert for Christmas, and it brought me nothing but compliments. Easy and quick. You have never made this dessert like this. If you like easy dessert already, click on the like button and write in the comments I love easy dessert. In a container we will add a box of condensed milk. My box has 395 grams. Then add 400 grams of heavy cream. And finally, add 25 grams of powdered passion fruit juice. You can choose another flavor as well. With the help of a stick, mix everything very well until it is completely homogenized. That's the point, a smooth and homogeneous cream. Now I'm going to transfer this cream to a small baking dish. Mine has the capacity of 1 liter. With the help of a spatula, spread the cream so that it is as flat as possible. After you've done that, let's set this baking dish aside. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, add 200 grams of heavy cream. Then add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I am using semi-sweet chocolate. Let's mix all this without stopping, until it is completely homogenized and turns into a consistent and creamy cream. When it starts to become consistent, add half a teaspoon of butter or margarine. Mix everything very well again. This is the point of our chocolate, a smooth, homogeneous cream. You can now turn off the fire. With the cream still hot, let's put it in the baking dish. Have you already shared this recipe? If not, do it now. It makes all the difference to us. With a spatula, spread the chocolate so that it is all flat. Then take it to the refrigerator and leave it for 2 hours. And our dessert is ready. How wonderful! Share this recipe and tell that person who should make it for you. After all, you deserve it. I'm already going to the comments to answer each one that wrote me from which city is watching us, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Follow our page and receive recipes every day. Until the next recipe.